The Colorado R&D tax credit is available to taxpayers who incur qualifying research expenses in enterprise zones in Colorado, which are identified by the Colorado Office of Economic Development. Colorado offers a 3% income tax credit that is based on the increase of a company's research and experimental expenditures within an enterprise zone over the average of such expenditures conducted in the same enterprise zone during the previous 2 income tax years. To qualify, the expenses must be made in one of the enterprise zones in Colorado, which are identified by the Colorado Office of Economic Development. The credit must be divided equally over 4 years. The taxpayer may claim 25% of the credit in the year the expenditure is made, and the remaining 75% in 25% increments over the next 3 years. The expenses must meet the federal definition of qualifying research expenses. To be eligible for the Colorado R&D credit, qualified research expenses must satisfy 3 criteria. 1. They must be technological in nature. 2. It must be useful in the development of a new or improved product or component of the business. And 3. It must utilize the process of experimentation. In-house research expenses may include wages excluding fringe benefits, supplies, payments for the right to use computers. Contract research expenses may include the amount paid for research done by a third party for the benefit of the contracting firm. Expenses that do not qualify for the credit are land or improvements to land, depreciable equipment, management surveys, costs incurred to adapt a product to a particular customer's needs, research funded by any government entity. The credit can be found in Part 5 of Form DR 1366, the Enterprise Zone Credit and Carry Forward Schedule. For credits generated on or after January 1, 2012, most enterprise zone credits must be pre-certified by the zone administrator prior to any business activity that would generate the enterprise zone credit. To find out more information about the Colorado R&D tax credit or to speak with a Swanson Reed specialist, please click the contact button on the lower left-hand corner of the screen to speak with one of our specialists.